unboxing of the ThinkPad Carbon X1 Gen 11, correct?
That is correct, using the Core i7-1355U processor, which is a mega processor for such a slim laptop, as we shall see.
No graphics card though.
No graphics card, yeah, it's just the Intel Iris Xe, integrated graphics, but that should suffice for your hardcore business needs.
The first reaction we had was when it arrived, it came in the branded ThinkPad X1 box, which for security purposes could have been a risk for theft, but we were very lucky and were able to pick up the package, hopefully intact. We shall open the box here. You can see here the handle is made out of paper. Looks like they're really into recycled materials for all the packaging, which is kind of neat. Let's see, where did it come from? It did come from the US. North Carolina was its original destination. Made its way to Ontario and then came to BC. So we are opening the box. This was a Black Friday deal. We did quite a bit of research on the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. We're quite surprised to see how well it was priced. Some people on Reddit have said that it is the anniversary of the ThinkPad. I don't know how many years, but they suspected that is why the deals cuts were so deep. I think originally it was $4,000, would you say?
Yeah, it was about $4,000, 60% off. So ultimately it was $1,600 before tax.
Yeah.
So it comes with I think 16 gigabytes of RAM, LPDDR5 at 6.4 gigahertz. So really fast RAM, although soldered to the motherboard.
Let me just see what's
Oh my
inside
goodness.
here. So all I did was take out this one piece of packaging.
I think your laptop just flopped right
The
out there.
laptop just kind of flopped out, but it's in a very...
Oh, wow. Look at that.
This looks very premium. Just a little bit of water here, so I'm gonna move this into the non-water part here. Okay, right here. So here we are. Now the box appears to be paper, but what a premium kind of simplistic design. You can see the ThinkPad branding on it, matches exactly the box. Another piece of this to stabilize is what you see inside in the back here, and then on the left hand side I would assume this would be the charger. So I'm gonna just wiggle this out. It's pretty tightly packed in here, not very much packaging at all. Just put this on the ground so you can kind of see what we have here. So all we have is one box and the ThinkPad. So let's start with this just to build the anticipation. Thank you for wiping up the water. Yeah, we water and electronics, as you have so mentioned before, do not go well together. So it's good. Thank you for wiping that. Just to heighten the anticipation, what we have here is a power cord. Yeah, a power cord. The box itself is pretty
fairly simplistic.
Slim. Looks a little dusty. But other than being dusty, it's
Oh my goodness.
65 watts.
It's 65 watts. It is quite dusty, but I think this is just like cardboard dust. It's like cardboard fiber.
Dust. I'm not quite sure. Is there anything else in the box?
That's a pretty compact 65 watt AC adapter there. So I guess it uses USB-C And that's like the, I think this is a North American C plug, which is the correct configuration of the plug that we need. But yeah, it does seem a little dusty. Hopefully it's not used or refurbished from somewhere else, but it does look, it's dusty, but I think it's just cardboard
I think it's just the cardboard.
fibers
Yeah.
that is what we're looking at. But yeah, it looks good. It looks good.
Does look good.
Very compact for what it is.
Yeah, very compact. And I like the fact that, I guess that's how they standardize with their shipping. This could be shipped anywhere in the world, and you could just plug in the appropriate plug for the country.
Yeah, they'll just mix and match.
So mix and match. So go Lenovo for making that streamlined. So now we shall do the unboxing.
Okay, I think the front is right there.
Thank you. I'll have to step around here. So there's a little tab. I'll just describe as we go here. So this tab should help us.
I should just lift up first.
Box. All right.
Oh,
interesting. Bit of a film there, probably to protect against dust. I will continue to lift. And it appears that inside, protecting the laptop is, well, first of all, we've got some probably warranty or
pieces of paper protecting the laptop.
piece of paper, and then some kind of film protecting the laptop. Shall I?
Go for it.
Okay.
Ooh. There she goes.
I want it to be very delicate, but of course we know this thing can withstand very hot and cool temperatures. It's being tested, US military tested, as we did the research on. Try.
Wow.
And
holy cow.
Here we go.
Carbon. Nothing but
Carbon.
the feeling of carbon.
It's light, all right. It's light.
Super slim, eh?
Yeah, very slim.
It's like an A4 sized folder.
And if the camera can see there, you'll see ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11, carbon fiber plus magnesium. I wonder what that means.
Yeah, it's metal.
Metal. Okay. Don't really see the carbon, I guess, yeah.
I think that's only on the OLED model.
Oh,
yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's just a matte finish. Oh, there we go.
FHD, okay, we're opening it now. i7.
Wow.
Wow. Now, I don't even recall what we got. Did we get the touch or the non-touch?
They all were touch by
They
default.
all were touch.
Yeah.
So the one very unique feature about this laptop is most of the touch screens on the market right now are glossy, but this is unique in that it is a matte finish touch screen. So we'll see what that's like when we boot it up. But as you can see, it has all the classic features of the ThinkPad. The little button. And I think, let's just see on the top. Yeah. Oh, yeah. X1 ThinkPad. Yeah. That's good. Anything else you would like to share?
No, I think it's just a matter of turning it on, running it through its paces, and then enjoying it.
Yeah. So there we have it. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11.
Awesome.
i7 1355U.
Good stuff. See you later.
Signing up. Doing a comparison here of the Carbon.
So to your left is your previous notebook, which is a Microsoft Surface, all metal.
All metal. Nice design. Oh, wow, that's a weight. It's lifting weights. Carbon. Oh, wow. Featherweight. Excellent. I'm gonna grab the battery, the pack. AC pack here, whatever you call it.
So in terms of mechanical dimensions, they're about the same. In terms of length and width, depth, about the same as well. The only exception here is that the carbon is in fact lighter, as one would expect, being a mix of carbon fiber and magnesium, I guess.
So here's something interesting. The thing here
The power brick from your previous laptop
is only
is slimmer,
slimmer,
but
44 watts.
pumping out 44 watts of power, versus the power brick there is at 65 watts. I mean, dimensionally, it's not that much different. It is thicker.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
thicker.
the new Lenovo
Yeah.
power adapter is a bit thicker.
Yeah. And the beauty of this one is it had a
USB-A.
built right in.
Yeah.
It's a very convenient feature,
Yeah,
which this new power brick
does not.
does not. So
But you have more than enough USB ports on your laptop.
true. Let's do a
Yeah.
comparison here. Ports. One of the traditional USB. Would that be USB?
Yeah, you got, so on the old Surface, you've got a USB-A display port and a headphone jack. And on the right-hand side of the old system, you have an SD card reader, I think that is. But on the Lenovo, you've got a plethora of ports. You got two USB-Cs. Actually, no, those are Thunderbolt ports, a USB-A, an HDMI, a full-size HDMI port, which is awesome. A USB-A, I think that's a Kensington security lock, headphone jack there. So port-wise, this is pretty loaded, although it is missing the SD card reader and maybe an Ethernet port. But otherwise, yeah, it's pretty much loaded.
Pretty good. Let's just open it up here. Oh, looks like it's got some kind of.
Oh, that's the security feature.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's a mechanical blocker, so to speak.
So one does not even need to put a piece of tape over it. You simply put the little eye over, do what you need to do. When you go to your call, just reveal.
Yeah.
What a nice feature. A lot of privacy. We like that.